안녕하세요. This is Busan Namja 1. I'm here to teach you Korean and Korean cultures. Learning Korean could be a hard time for you, but let me make it easy and fun. If you want my latest updated video, please subscribe to my channel, click the alarm button, and follow my Instagram and TikTok. Today, I'm going to teach you 이에요 and 예요 and how to use them for making a statement, question, or narrative sentence. This is a polite and informal way of speaking in Korean. 이에요 and 예요 have the same meaning, and that ending explains the subject. For example, my name is Paul. 제 이름은 Paul이에요. Or this is water. 이거는 물이에요. Also, my job is singer. 제 직업은 가수예요. However, if your word in front of the ending have bottom consonants called 받침 in Korean, you have to use 이에요. But if your word in front of the ending have no bottom consonant, you have to use 예요. Before going to a further detail, let me lay out simple Korean word combination rules for those who have no idea about 받침. Korean words ends with either vowel or consonants. For example, a vowel in Korean is a, e, I, o, u, and so on. When a Korean word ends with a vowel, it does not have 받침, which is bottom consonant. For example, 자전거, which is bike in Korean, or coffee, which means coffee. For those words which ends with a vowel, you should add 예요, like 자전거 예요 and 커피 예요. And consonant in Korean is 기역, 니은, 디귿, 리을, 미음, 비읍, and so on. When a word ends with a consonant, it has 받침. For example, 길, which means a street or road in Korean, and 집, which is a house in Korean. For those words which ends with a consonant, you should add 이에요 at the end, like 집이에요 and 길이에요. You can make a question with the inquisitive intonation at the end, like 이에요 and 예요. The order of words in between Korean statements and Korean questions is the same. Like, is your name is Paul? In Korean, 이름이 Paul이에요. And is this water? 이거는 물이에요. Another example. Is your job a singer? In Korean, 직업이 가수예요. And another form of 이에요 and 예요 is just one ending, 아니에요, for both 받침 words and a word without 받침. For example, my name is Paul. 제 이름은 Paul 아니에요. This is water. 이거는 물 아니에요. Another example, my job isn't singer. 제 직업은 가수 아니에요. Great! You finally completed one step in basic Korean grammar, 이에요 and 예요. So in review, for words which has 받침, which is bottom consonants, you can add 이에요, like statements. 제 이름은 Paul이에요. Question, 이름이 Paul이에요. Narrative sentence, 제 이름은 Paul 아니에요. For words which ends with a vowel, you can use 예요, like statement, 제 직업은 가수예요. Question, 직업이 가수예요. Narrative sentence, 제 직업은 가수예요. 아니에요. If you have any question about the grammar point, please leave a comment or you can send me DM on Instagram. Thank you for watching my video and see you in next video. Bye! 안녕히 계세요.